Hi guys, just thought I would do a little bit of unboxing. This is my first time I've unboxed. I'll just cut the packaging to show you that I'm opening it now. Basically it just says that this bag is 100% recyclable, made from 80% reclaimed material and 100% and is 100% recyclable. Yeah, so here in this box is a phone I ordered, and it's the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro, I believe, if I remember rightly. Fragile handle with care. I hope I got it the right way up. It doesn't show on the box. So a bit of bubble wrapping. Well, a little bit of bubble wrapping to see, well, this makes a change. And there we go. Here we have the Xiaomi Note 9 Pro. The Redmi Note 9 Pro with easy access to Google Apps. Yeah. It's funny, isn't it? Because obviously everyone knows about Hawaii and the 5G stuff. Well, I don't like 5G, to be honest. Got enough going on with my health problems, so I think 4G is adequate for me. Now I need to get into this box. Don't know if the scissors would do it. Let's see. Because I've not got any fingernails left, they're all broke. My father used to say, women with beautiful nails don't have time for housework. Or not so much time, they don't do housework, basically. And more time looking after themselves than they do the house. Or they're very rich and can afford someone else to do it. So, off comes the peel. And if you're Chinese, I guess you'd say Xiaomi. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 9, yeah? It's a Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro. Pro, yeah, it's a Pro. It's a probably cheaper imitation from the Samsung Galaxy Note. But very good. How do we access this box? Is it a slip down box? Yeah. Okay, so that's that. Plain white thing on the front. Don't get anything nice and fancy like the Umadigi, which says thank you. I love all Umadigi phones. This is my very first Xiaomi. I've never bought a Xiaomi before, so in fact the one I'm recording on is my Umadigi Max, or Umadigi 1 Max, which I got last year. So just a bit of card, and then inside you get the charger for UK, and obviously your USB-C Type-C, which I won't use because I've got loads of them. That stays in there, and I won't use that either, which is the fast charge plug, I think. So I won't use that either because I've got one of those as well. So I shall leave that packed in there, and then alright, Rashad, wait a minute. Okay, I'll phone them up. Right, how do I go back? That's it. Right, Redmi Note 9 Pro, 64 megapixel AI quad camera, 16 megapixel in-display front camera. That's good. I think this one's 12, if I remember rightly. 30-watt fast charge. Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, 8nm, whatever that means, high efficiency processor, which is good because I do need quite a fast processor. 6.6-inch display, which is bigger than the one I'm using, because that's only a 6.2, I think, or 6.3. This is a FHD display. Side-mounted fingerprint sensor. I don't like the side-mounted ones. I mean, yes, my hand's big, as you can see, I've got massive hands, and I always use my left hand, even though I'm right-handed. But in the right hand, it doesn't feel, no, feels better on my left. Doesn't come with a case either, unfortunately. So I'm going to have to order one. Right, so this is the slip thing in. I don't know how we take this out. I'll do this in the tropical green. Oh, I see. Take that off. Probably because I got this on eBay and not off GearBest, which is where I normally get my phones. Either GearBest or what's that other one? AliExpress, I think. Wow, beautiful colour. Absolutely gorgeous. Almost matches the curtains. Yeah, gorgeous colour. Tropical green. There's not even a glass protector. Oh, yes, there is. Then you obviously your little sticker at the back as well. So let's power this little beauty up and see if there's anything in it. Redmi Note. Redmi. Sorry about the reflections in the background. Oh, I need to come off that actually. Yeah. Oh, here we go. What? Mew 11. Life gets better. Okay, that's choose language. Well, obviously English. English India? No, I don't want English India. I don't live in India. I live in England, UK. English United States? Hell no, I'm not getting the English United States. Have we not got English UK? Probably not. Oh, we do Portuguese in Brazil and Portuguese in Portugal. No, guess we've got to do English American. Dang, that's not good. Why don't they put English UK? Right. Increase text size. Yeah, just a little bit. It's small. That's better. Yep. No, I want that as my default. No. Increase text size. Yes. Ah, thank you. Choose your region. United Kingdom. Yes. Connect to network. Well, I want talk, so I don't know my bloody password though. That's the trouble. Do that later. I'll share my data on at the moment. Oh, I can't do that either. Okay, I'm going to have to stop this video and come back to it once I set the network up. So let's just... Oh, no, pay. Is it recording? I think so, yes, recording. Okay, so this is the terms and conditions. User agreement, privacy policy. Read our user agreement and privacy policy to understand the information we collect and how we use it. And what choices you have. Yep, I've read the terms of agreement. Okay. Checking for SIM card. Well, there isn't one in there yet. Insert your SIM card now. Okay. And I can't do that because I'm using it on this phone. So I shall have to come back to that at a later date. Go forward. Checking for updates. Installing updates. Copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google accounts, and more. I'll do that next after I've done this phone. So I'll do all that, then I'll come back and carry on with it. Because as I say, I need to insert the SIM card in as well. I can't do that till I finish recording.